At Energy Suspension, our R&D team is always working toward great new products for our customers. Our engineers are currently putting the finishing touches on a master set for a 2001 to 2005 Lexus IS300, which will be available later this year. The master set will include sets for front and rear sway bar bushings, front and rear control arm bushings, rear differential, rear subframe, and rack and pinion bushings. Energy Suspension was the first to offer complete performance polyurethane suspension bushing master sets for front to rear coverage of vehicle suspensions for popular import and domestic vehicles called the Hyperflex system. Energy Suspension's Hyperflex Performance polyurethane bushings last longer than stock rubber and will improve vehicle handling, cornering, and overall control. All Energy Suspension products are backed by a 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. When it comes to our master sets, some of these sets are easier to install than others, so if you don't feel 100% confident to replace these parts, then make sure to work with a qualified installer. If you are interested in a master set or any components we offer for your vehicle, make sure to check out teamenergysuspension.com for the most up-to-date information. Want to learn more about our Hyperflex system and if upgrading to polyurethane is for you? Give our customer service team a call today.